In a significant development, an American senator has raised concerns over the Indian government's notification of rules for implementing the Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA). The CAA, passed in 2019, aims to grant citizenship to undocumented non-Muslim migrants from Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Afghanistan who arrived in India before December 31, 2014. Senator Ben Cardin, chairman of the Senate Foreign Relations Committee, expressed deep concern over the CAA's potential ramifications on India's Muslim community. He emphasized the importance of upholding shared values of protecting human rights, particularly during the holy month of Ramadan. The U.S. State Department echoed Senator Cardin's concerns, emphasizing the fundamental principles of religious freedom and equal treatment under the law. However, India sharply rebuked the criticism, asserting that the CAA aims to safeguard persecuted minorities from neighboring countries. Support for the CAA came from Hindu Pact and the Global Hindu Heritage Foundation, who highlighted the humanitarian aspect of the legislation. They emphasized the plight of persecuted minorities in Pakistan and other Islamic countries, emphasizing the need for expedited citizenship for these vulnerable communities. Representatives from Hindu Pact expressed disappointment with the US government's stance, emphasizing the ongoing atrocities faced by Hindu, Sikh, and Christian minorities in Pakistan. They criticized the lack of empathy towards the victims and urged support for India's humanitarian efforts. V.S. Naipaul from the Global Hindu Heritage Foundation underscored the necessity of the CAA in addressing the plight of persecuted minorities facing brutalities in neighboring Islamic countries. He emphasized the importance of secularism and humanity in protecting vulnerable communities. As the debate surrounding the CAA continues, the global community watches closely, emphasizing the importance of upholding human rights and protecting persecuted minorities in the region.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.